Hi, I'm Mike Heim with Martin Implement, and this is the Kubota MX5400. We're going to talk about the MX series Kubota tractors today. The MX series is known for versatility and comfort at a great price point. This is a MX5400. It has 57 horsepower. It comes in a gear transmission or a hydrostatic transmission. The MX6000 is 63 horsepower and only comes in hydrostatic transmission. Both machines are 4-cylinder turbo diesels. They are Tier 4 compliant, and both come with a Category 1 or 2 3-point hitch. This tractor is equipped with a loader. It is a skid steer style mounting plate with a manual coupler. The MX series is a very comfortable tractor. Suspension seat, you can get a cab with heat, air conditioning. You have 30 inches between the fenders, so there's plenty of room to move around. Everything's conveniently located. All the levers and buttons are around where you can get to them. The dash makes sense. It's a great versatile tractor. It'll service many different industries, from municipal work, conservatories, landscapers, mowing crews. It has a 17-mile-per-hour travel speed, so it's great for bush hog or 3-point mounted mowers. The loader makes it really nice for loading and unloading, but you could also use it for tree work. You can get a grapple on it. Cab on the MX series is optional. If you go with the optional cab, it does come standard with heat, air conditioning, front work lights, a tilt steering wheel, suspension seat, and a front wiper. You can option to get other lights and mirrors and things as well on the cab. The loader on the MX series comes off in a matter of minutes. It's just one stand, a couple of pins, a few couplers, no tools needed. Comes right off. So what I'm doing here is just removing the 2 loader pins, and then I'm just going to roll the bucket out and back out of the bucket, or out of the loader. Like that. So the controls are all conveniently located. You have 30 inches between the fender, plenty of room, nice suspension seat. The floorboard's nice and long, plenty of room to get on and off for your legs. I got a double brake pedal in my parking brake, my light and 4-way controls. Over here, I've got my handle to engage my 4-wheel drive. I also have a differential lock. And right here is your hydrostatic drive pedal. You do have a hand throttle. And you have 3 range selection. So you have low, medium, and high range selection. You have travel speed. You have 3-point linkage. Valve control here, and a suspension seat adjustment here for how heavy or light the operator is. PTO engagement switch here, and 3-point height selection.